Hiya. I'd like to share my experience on sandpaper. This is the only brand I might buy, Oakey. This is 80 grit. It's a good all around paper. It's made in Germany. It'll last you a long time. A roll, 10 meters I think. Norton. This one's 40 grit. Don't use that so much, but it's good for when you want to just rough something. And 120. Those are the only three that I buy. The other papers I've been buying are these. Abranet. I've got a 360. 320 I mean. 320. Don't use that so much. And you see this pad's pretty knackered now, but 120, that's what I use the most of. But they last a long time, these. Very long time. Dust it off. These papers also last me a long time. If you just get a sharp edge, tear a piece off about that big, and get it neater. Use a pair of scissors, fold it neatly in half. It's a perfect size to work with. You've got grip, two good straight edges. If you cut it neater you'd have 4. 8 corners to get into the corners of things. Curl it around so that you can do round edges. When you're sanding, use that sharp edge, that folded edge, away from you, so that when you're sanding you can put your finger underneath, spread your way out on your fingers and sand. If you do it that way, you'll find the paper tends to do that. If you buy them square sheets, them brown square sheets, they're a waste of time, waste of money. They'll fall to bits in your hand, they'll start becoming bits of cloth with bits of sandpaper stuck to them. The grits are irregular. Just the only place they're worth is putting in the bin. That's where you should put them. Don't waste your time. I spend a little bit more money on these, £15 a roll or something, but this roll it's a few year old. I go through this one a little bit more often. So a couple of year old. That one's similar to that, a couple of year old. But I have these pads, these bits of paper, kicking around in the van. Pick one up, it's still good. They wear out eventually, but they last a long time. And for the spraying, I like to use these. You've got a soft side for doing the edges of things, and a harder side. Sanding discs, I've already made a video on this, but these Makita discs, excellent. Those flexible things are crap. Don't waste your money, but if you're going to go sanding discs, these are well worth the money. At the moment I've got to sand these, so I'm going to go on with that. I'm using this. It's quite resiny wood, so it's building up on here, but it'll blow out. Got to sand these, but you can use that edge, sand over the edges. I have 120 both sides, 320 both sides of there. I think I must have got some solvent on that, melts the rubber. But yeah, Oakey and Abranet